In this video, we will compare Allchinabuy versus cnfans. Allchinabuy is an online store primarily focused on providing Chinese products to global consumers. The platform offers a wide range of products across various different categories. These categories involve fashion, gadgets, electronics, home goods and more. One of the key selling points of Allchinabuy is its extensive catalogue of Chinese-made products that are often difficult to find in international markets. The website focuses on providing competitive pricing and offering simple shopping experience with secure payment methods and international shipping that is quite quick. Allchinabuy is particularly popular amongst most people who are looking for affordable, high-quality goods directly from China. However, the platform's global presence is still growing, and some customers may lose longer shipping times due to international logistics. Additionally, customer service can be hit or miss using Allchinabuy. On the other hand, cnfans is an online store and community that specialises in Chinese fandom culture, offering a wide variety of merchandise related to popular Chinese entertainment. This includes anime, movies, TV shows and gaming. cnfans target a more niche audience, fans of the Chinese pop culture, by providing exclusive products such as fan art, character merchandise, apparel and accessories, all related to specific fandom. The site is known for its curated section of items that are often linked to popular Chinese entertainment franchises. cnfans aims to foster a sense of community around Chinese pop culture, allowing fans to connect through merchandise and shared interests, while it caters to its fans. In summary, Allchinabuy is a great choice for consumers looking to vary on affordable and high-quality products, whereas, in contrast, cnfans is more tailored to specific niche and focus on fandom merchandise related to Chinese pop culture. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.